How to update WhatsApp on phone. Keeping your WhatsApp up to date ensures you are always on the cutting edge of messaging technology. Whether it's new features, enhanced security, or just smoother performance, updating WhatsApp is key to staying connected seamlessly. Let's dive into how you can easily update WhatsApp on your phone. To update WhatsApp on your phone, follow these general steps. So, specific steps may vary slightly depending upon your device. So, first of all, what you need to do is open Play Store or App Store. If you are on Android, open Play Store. If you are using iPhone, open the App Store. Once you open it, you need to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in WhatsApp. Tap on the search icon on the keyboard, and if you see any updates next to WhatsApp Messenger, you have to tap on it and then update will begin downloading. Once it's complete, you can tap on install and then update your app to the latest version. As you can see, we already have the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger, so there is no any update button. Simply you can tap on open and use WhatsApp. So you need to remember that updating WhatsApp ensures you get access to new features, bugs, pictures, and then security patches. So it's always a good idea to keep it up to date. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.